Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Dom and we're here to talk about unusual options activity. Alright, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show. They are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. Okay, so first one I want to talk about today is Mara. Now, this is a speculative trade here. This is a Bitcoin mining company. And if you take a look here at these May 6th options here, there was a ton of volume in these weekly calls here. The 17.5 strike and the 18 strike here. Now, I do like that they are buying in big volume here. They're buying short-term calls and they're buying out-of-the-money calls here. I would personally... Well, I'd have to take a look at the implied volatility, see where those kind of are for the pricing on the options here. And then maybe decide between a vertical spread or just buying the out-of-the-money call outright. If Marathon Digital makes a huge move within the next couple days here and you get the out-of-the-money call, you're going to get a better percentage return on your investment. So just a couple things to think about there. I'm going to see where this one opens up on Monday. I did not do any trades on Friday. Usually, in my experience, when we have a bloodbath on Friday, you usually come in on Monday and there's just an absolute bloodshed of selling, especially lately. So this has been a pretty tough trade here, especially on the long side. Short side, obviously, it's been pretty good, but it's just extremely choppy. So you have to take your profits pretty quick. And you know, like I say all the time, we're not having 100% returns anymore, 200, 300,000% gains anymore, because we can't really let these options ride for as long as we would like to, because it's just so choppy and you're going to lose the time decay if you hold these things. So it's pretty much just been a lot of day trading for me, at least. Now if we take a look at the chart here, what I don't like here is we're kind of catching a falling knife. This chart looks pretty bad here, but usually when I see people coming in buying these Bitcoin calls on these Bitcoin stocks, they do tend to perform pretty well. So I'm going to see where this one opens on Monday, and we'll see what happens with this one. So next one I want to talk about is BBIG. Now these are two speculative trades here, very speculative. If you take a look at BBIG's chart here, it kind of looks like it's bottomed out here a couple times around this 222 level here. Looks like we bottomed there again. We're coming up here. It looks like we're maybe trying to form a little bottom here and make a large move to the upside. So if we take a look at some of these calls here, we can see that my screen is not stretched out far. There we go. You can see there's about 110,000 calls traded, open interest of about 6,400. Now this could be a lot of retail flow here. I'm not really sure. Did see some nice sizable orders here, but to see 110,000 calls traded, that is quite a bit. That definitely gets my attention. Like I said, I did not take these trades on Friday because I think we might see a wave of selling here. Although some of these speculative names here, as you can see, Friday was just an absolute bloodbath, and BBIG was actually positive on the day. So a lot of these really speculative stocks here, they don't really follow the overall market trend. The market has been trending down. Friday was an absolutely miserable day, but yet BBIG was actually positive. I'm not sure if that's just because it's controlled by retail traders or what. But there's definitely interesting flow here. Going to keep my eye on this one. Not taking all the trades that I see here. I'm being really picky about the trades here. Doing a lot of day trades like I just said. So, thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. It's been pretty rough here with the trading. Like I said, we're not getting any of the big 100, 200, 300,000% returns like we used to when the market was just trending higher. It's just extremely choppy. We are trending lower here. So that's nice if you're playing it from the short side, but we can see violent days to the upside as well. So it's just extremely volatile environment. Pretty hard to make nice sizable returns here. I'm being really picky about the trades that I am taking, and I'm also being picky about the ones that I put on this channel. So that's why I'm not making videos every day like I used to. Trying to bring trades that I think are going to work. It's just a tough environment. Like I say, these videos are for educational purposes only. See what I'm talking about, and then maybe go find some trades based on what I'm talking about, giving ideas here and such. So thanks for everyone who has been subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.